Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are good. Today we are going to learn exercise 2.1. As we have already discussed question number 1 from exercise 2.1 in our previous lecture, and today we are going to learn question number 2. So question number 2, here the question tells us, find out how many tens and ones are there in each of the numbers given below. Find out how many tens and ones are there in each of the numbers given below. Dear students, here are the numbers and we have to find how many tens and ones are in them. Okay? And we will do them one by one. Coming to our first part, which is 36. Dear students, 36 is a two-digit number. We have to find out how many tens and ones are there in this number. First, we will see its place. Okay. Dear students, as you know that 6 comes at ones place. 6 comes at ones place and 3 comes at tens place. Okay. So, here we have 3 tens and 6 ones. In this two-digit number 36, we have 3 tens and 6 ones. Okay. Now we will do part B, which is 24. 24 is a two-digit number. We have to find out tens and ones in this number. First, we will see the place value chart. So here, this is the place value chart, ones, tens, okay. Here we have only two digits, so we will go only ones and tens. In 24, 2 comes at tens place, okay, and 4 comes at ones place. So here we have 2 tens and 4 ones. Dear students, in two-digit number 24, we have 2 tens and 4 ones. In part C, what is our part C? 18. Okay, in part C the number is 18. It's a two-digit number and we have to find out tens and ones in this part. Dear students, 8 comes at ones place. Okay, 8 comes at ones place and 1 comes at tens place. So there are 1 tens and 8 ones. 1 tens and 8 ones. D part is 5. Dear students, it's a single digit number. Remember it, when we have a single digit number, there is always an invisible zero on left side. Okay, dear students, here what's our digit? What's our number? 5. One digit number. Okay, so 5 comes at ones place and 0 comes at tens place. It means 0 tens and 5 ones. So we have 5 ones and 0 tens. Okay. Coming to part E, that's 45. 45 is a two-digit number. In 45, 5 comes at ones place and 4 comes at tens place. 5 comes at ones place and 4 comes at tens place. So there are 4 tens and 5 ones. Dear students, 4 tens and 5 ones makes 45. Part F. In part F, we have two-digit number, that's 21. Okay. Students, in 21, 1 comes at ones place and the digit 2 comes at tens place. Okay, 2 tens and 1 ones. 2 tens and 1 ones makes 21. coming to part G, 30. 30 is a 2-digit number. In 30, 0 comes at ones place and 3 comes at tens place. So there are 3 tens and 0 ones. It means we have no ones here. Okay, 3 tens makes 30. Our edge part is 49. It's a 2-digit number. And in this number, 9 comes at ones place and 4 comes at tens place. So there are 4 tens and 9 ones. Students, 4 tens and 9 ones makes 49. Okay, this was our last part from this question. And students, don't forget to do more practice at your home. Okay, thank you.